My name is Peter T. Costello, Barangay Liberty, Palumpon, Leyte, 25 years of age, Power Plant 2F. The question is, should divorce law be enacted in the Philippines? Explain your answer. My answer is yes. Divorce law be enacted in the Philippines because divorce is the legal way of separating two persons who is in marriage. Divorce is the way to escape individuals in a toxic, abusive, or irreparable marriages. It allows them to start anew, although it can cause a emotional and psychological harm to children, but it's up to them where they want to live with. If he or she is in legal way to choose. But for example, the age of the child is only 1 to 5 in our law in the Philippines. It should be in the mother's custody where the child goes.